Mayong hapon mga kalaags, no? Kumusta? How are you doing? Magandang tanghali sa inyong lahat. Mo-open na pulupan natin mga sangkay nga mga waray, no? Yeah, just would like to say congratulations to our beautiful people, Ormoc City, no? For bagging the championship of the Eastern Visayas Regional Athletic Association, or IVRA, no? It was a memorable, historical, and yeah, well, what other terms can we say? No, memorable, historical, unforgettable, no, an event, no? Because for one, most of the Ormocanons won and became the overall champion. At the same time, it helped our local businesses here in Ormoc to, like, you know, mabigyan ng kanilang magandang benta, no, sa kanilang mga negosyo, no? Though the IVRA is a bit hot kasi nga mainit yung panahon, kasi init na yun dito, no? But still we were able to push through with we were able to held the IVRA successfully, no? Also, I would like to congratulate personally the city government of Ormoc, no, and the Department of Education for a very wonderful organizing of IVRA, no? It was historic, no? Because yun nga, ang observation kasi sa ibang tao sa IVRA na ito ngayon mga kalaags is meron kasi silang observation na ito ng IVRA natin ngayon is daw siya, para daw siyang South Sea Games, no? Sea Games yung opening niya, yung kapag may mananalo bibigyan ni Pin ng staff toy ni Pini, no? And then medals and other awards, no? So same as the Sea Games or even Olympic, no? However, there's a big question, no? There are people asking where can we get the IVRA para like Pini, no? Where can we buy Pini, no? Because Pini is so cute that many people wanted to acquire Pini, no? So yun lang, tanong ko to the LGU or to the organizing committee, kung meron po ba kayong mga staff toy na for sale, no, na pwedeng bilhin para kasi marami kasing gustong bumili, gustong naghahanap kung nasaan ba si Pini. No? Yung cute na si Pini, no? Actually, Pini was very popular, no? In fact, he is a celebrity, no? Instant celebrity na si Pini, no? Kaya nga we were looking for some stuffed toy. Probably kahit hindi lang yung version ng binigyan nila sa mga athletes sa IVRA, but at least they have another version of Pini for them to sell to people who wanted to buy Pini as a souvenir, no? Kasi nga it's it's the first time ever in the whole entire Region 8, no, na magkaroon tayo ng mascot na si Pini, no? Si Pini, and then ipinabibigay pa si Pini sa mga athletes, no, na nananalo sa mga event. And isa pa mga kalaags, yeah, yun si Pini. Saka yung mga t-shirts, no, ang gaganda. OMG. Ang ganda. Where can we buy those t-shirts? If people would be asking, no, please give us the info as to where we could buy the shirts. Oh, by the way, before I proceed, no, please don't forget to follow my channel. It's Gangsoy TV. Naulit po siya, no? Gangsoy TV. Please click on the like, subscribe, and please ring the bell as well, so that you will be notified. Okay? Thank you for supporting my vlog, mga kalaags, no? Bakit nga pala, baka kayo magtanong, sisigway ko lang. Bakit nga po pala kalaags, Kasi naging kalaag yan kasi ako I am a tour guide, so I go places, no? Sa Bisaya kasi, laag na naglaag or nagsuroy. No? So kasi kayo, kasama ko in my journey with this vlog, wherever I go, so kayo na yung mga kalaags. No? Kalaags. Yun na yun, kalaags tayo mga, yun ang tawagan natin mga kalaags. Ano? Just tatanong ko nga lang po, saan po pala tayo makabili ni Pini and the other Evra paraphernalias, no? Or materials or equipment, ano pa yung mga term na yan dyan, ano? Or if there are for sale na mga Pini dolls, no? Kasi yun talaga ay hinahanap-hanap ngayon, ano? So hopefully makaprovide ng answer whoever is the people responsible for it, para naman at least matuwa yung ating mga taga-Ormoc, no? With the, because kasi nga, I mean, ano na nga sila, we are ano na nga kami, natuwa na nga kami sa Evra kasi maganda masyado yung Evra. I mean, the best, no, yung Evra natin ngayon. And then meron pang si Pini, dinagdag pa si Pini na ubod ng cute, ubod ng ganda. Sana ay mapagbigyan tayo, na mabigyan tayo ng access kung saan natin si Pini pwede mabili. Also, hindi naman natin maiiwasan na magkakaroon ng mga issue, no? Mga issues, meron nga comparison nga, no, na dito na yung ibang lugar, no, kasi sa atin, no, sa mga pampa na lang yan, pampaganda, no? Pampaganda, added excitement yan sa mga situations na nangyari during the Evra, which is it made us Ormocanons, no, to know that we are resilient, no. Mapagmahal tayo sa ating lugar, sa ating Ormoc, no, kasi nagre-react tayo rin. Okay. But at least when we react in a calm manner, no? So ano naman tayo. So at least mga kalaags, no, what is important is that we were able to enjoy, no? Nag-enjoy tayo sa ating Evra. Ako, I enjoyed it, no. I enjoyed the Evra, no, so much. From the opening down to the closing. Though hindi na ako nakapanood ng closing, but still, looking at their social media, wow, man. Eli Buendia, he's my high school favorite with the Erase Your Heads time, no. So I can relate to all his songs, no. So opening naman, I was able to see a glimpse of it kasi nga nahirapan kayo pumasok, but nevertheless, it was good na I had an experience touring the guys from BGYO who were actually like good guys, no. I never expected for actors or boy bands to be kind-hearted people, no. Yeah, some of the artists, no. Isa pa na observe ko na maganda yung during yung after ng parade, doon sa Oval na may presentation ng kaunti yung ating mga delegates. Nako, man, ang ganda. Parang nasa SEA Games po tayo. The question there and the challenge there is this: whoever will be the host for the next Evra, how can they top our Evra this year? That is a challenge, no? That is the very, very big question. Paano natin matap yung Evra natin ngayon? So, with that being said, no, the question there is, I am actually like asking those next, whoever is the next host ng Evra, kung paano nila tap ang Evra. Yung Evra natin is by far, walang makakatalo na ano pa yung regional event na yan dyan sa Pilipinas. Sasabihin natin, Cebu, meron ano, but pa rin yung Ormoc, iba pa rin yung Evra natin, no? The first time ever na nangyari ito sa buong Eastern Visayas na ganito yung setup ng Evra is undeniably the best, no? Lots of fun and excitement that happened during the Evra, no? So yun, I can only say mga kalaags na hopefully the next time around kung tayo pa rin yung mag-host, hindi na Evra, palaro na. Problema nga lang sa palaro, medyo malaki siyang event, no? But still it was memorable. Now there was a question that arose, no? Meron tanong. This was asked to me by one of the faculties, or the teachers from Baybay City. What will happen after the Evra? Anong mangyayari sa mga nila Pini, No, yung mga ano, no? Ipamimigay ba yun or anong gagawin doon ba? Kasi sayang eh. So, hindi ko masasagot yan, no? All I want to know is if pwede ba na ibigay si Pini kasi hihingin ko si Pini. No? Para may kasama kami sa bahay na si Pini. No? But, it's not anymore as to where is this things going, no? It's about the memories that you have experienced during the IVRA, ano. Yung kay former Mayor Richard Gomez, no? Former Mayor, now Congressman Richard Gomez, no? Maganda rin 'yon, no? But sabi nga mas pinaganda pa ni Mayor Lucy. Iba talaga kapag babae yung magpaplano. Iba yung dala, iba yung diskarte ng babae, no? So, mas maganda ngayon. Sorry Mayor Richard, we love you, but mas maganda po kay Mayor Lucy ngayon. No? Anyways, no? Okay pa naman din yun kay Congressman, no? But maganda talaga kay Mayor Lucy ngayon, no? So, what will happen? No? Tapos sa yung IVRA, today is May 11. Next month is the Ormoc City Fiesta. And expected again na magiging colorful yung ating fiesta dito sa Ormoc. This is a celebration of our patron saints, Saints Peter and Paul. And siya nga pala, I would like to encourage everyone to please help our church, no? Renovation, help the renovation of the church, no? By donating any amount lang naman para makatulong tayo sa simbahan natin, help rebuilding the church, no? Now, fiesta, June 28-29. Ano kaya ang mangyayari? Aabangan natin yan, ha? Kasi merong mga rumors, no? Na SB19 daw or ABA raw yung pupunta, no? I don't know. It's just a rumor. Needs to be confirmed. I will not confirm it nor deny it, no? But yun pa lang, no? Wala, wow. Sasabi ko ng wow. Meron din namang iba na sabi daw gusto nila pumunta dito yung showtime, no? Dito mag-show. Tignan natin, no? It's up to the management or it's up to to our local government unit, no? Walang imposible, no? Mangyayari lahat gustuhin, no? Ng ating sa ating LGU. So we'll just hope for the best kung ano yung mangyayari ngayong June. But malapit na, no? Isang buwan na lang siya, no? More than a month. Kasi today is the 10th, 29, 28, 29. So, preparation-wise, medyo tayo ngayon. Mabilisan yung preparations, no? So, hopefully, mga kalaag, she still continue to support the programs for the local government unit, no? Hindi ko na po sasabihin ko ano yung standing ng ating IVRA kasi nandyan na po yan sa internet lahat. Nakikita nyo na po sa social media, especially sa Facebook, kung sino yung overall champion, sino yung second, and third, and fourth, no? So forth. So, ang aking naman is I just would like to congratulate the management or the local government unit for a very successful IVRA. And regarding the tanong kung saan natin makikita or kung mayroon bang mga nagbebenta ng mga souvenir items ng Pini, no? Si Pini kasi parang daig pa ni Pini yung daig pa ni Pini yung boy band ng mga BTS na yan, yung mga Enhypen na yan, no? Mga ano pa yan. Walang-wala sila kay Pini. Masikat talaga si Pini sa kanila, ano. So yun lang, kung saan natin sila mabibili or mayroon bang for sale na Pini at magkano, no? Hopefully may makakasagot, may makafollow ng video na to, and they would be able to answer so that I could give you the information as well. Okay mga kalaag, so again, please do not forget to support my YouTube channel, Gangsoy TG. Okay, dati kasi Gang Tour Guide TV yun eh. So pinalitan natin Gangsoy TG. Okay. Bakit daw Gangsoy, no? Ewan ko ba kay Madam? Si Madam kasi nagsuggest eh. So sabi ni Madam, Gangsoy kasi Gang Tisoy, short for Tisoy. Tisoy the Ox. Tisoy daw ako at saka TJ kasi tour guide, no? So, nevertheless, so please support my channel by clicking the like, subscribe, and ring the bell button. Yun lang. And goodbye, mga kalags. Enjoy kayo dyan. Ingat kayo palagi. God bless you all. Bye!
I got the future.